In this video, I am going to show you how to change your name on Facebook. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, you have to tap on the menu, which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your menu, you have to scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy to extend the menu, then tap on Settings. In your settings, you have to tap on See More in Account Center. So now in Account Center, you have to tap on Profiles. In Profiles, select the profile of yours, which name you want to change. So now from here, you have to tap on Name. So now from here, you will be able to easily change your name on Facebook. One thing that you should keep in mind is that if you change your name, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. So always make sure that you are aware of what you're doing. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.